back to another video. So Happy New Year's, by the way. Anyways, so today we are going to go get some cars. Maybe buy the dealership out again. The old dealership got bought out by like a big one. Because they have Honda, Chevy, Ram, Ford. So a lot of, like, they have a lot of campers too. Different things. So they're the biggest dealership in Kansas City history. So, yeah. You might be asking why am I not driving one of my trucks? It's because of this. It's a GTO. One of my favorites in the car community. So this is one of the black with the tan interior. This is the biggest one. Okay. Don't mind maybe going here. So. It looks big. I don't know why he has a car on, but... Boo!
Sir, welcome to the APM trailer store. How may I help you today?
Can I buy a truck, a trailer? Or can I buy some trucks and trailers? Might buy out everything. I might buy everything today. I don't know.
Do you want to hear the special deals that we have today? Because it's New Year's.
Sure. Oh yeah, by the way, Happy New Year's. I hope you have a good one. And props for you for working on New Year's. Props to you.
Thank you and thank you. I'm in a state where I really need to work on New Year's.
Yeah, I get it. Yeah, let's go check out that one. Let's go check out the New Year's specials.
But by the way, let me show you the specials.
Yeah, I got you. This one.
You see this double trailer right here?
Yeah.
If you buy this car, all of that comes with
the camper.
It comes with this car, even the ramps and the trailer, and also
the boots.
This also comes with it.
Can we go look around and I'll tell you which ones I like? I really loved this one when I was pulling in.
Oh, yeah.
It's the military setup right here.
Yeah, this one goes at like a price. This goes at like a price of 30 to 40K, and this is one of our specials too.
Okay, I'm instantly buying this one. Bought that one. I love that. I'm definitely. How much would this one be? I'm just asking.
Oh, this one is like. This one is. Because this one it was a little expensive. Even with the deals, we lowered the price to like 50K.
Okay, and so you bought that one. What's this one?
This one is like 20K. Another special. We have a lot of specials because it's New Year's.
Okay, and so you bought that one.
This one over here is
this one should not be a special because it's got a boat. Or it doesn't really matter, but you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Anyways, how much is this one gonna run me?
It's free car insurance if you crash it. Well, actually, all of these specials do come with insurance for like a little New Year's funsies.
Okay. How much is this gonna cost?
Like 50K. 50K as well.
50K.
Want to see our non-specials? These ones are pretty cheap.
I want this one, and that's it.
This one is like,
I'm buying.
this is going to like 30K, and this one is going to like 40. This is 20K, and that one's 30.
Okay, so I'm gonna buy that one, this one, this one, that green camper, and the special over here. How much is that gonna run me? Like 300, 400K?
Wait, this was 40, right? This
Yep.
was 40.
Yep.
This one was
70.
50K. So
No.
that would be
Oh yeah,
90.
50.
This one was like
30.
40K, right? This one was 40K over here, right?
Yeah, it was 30K.
So that would be 120. Okay,
And plus the right camper
50,
and the Tahoe.
150, and
Plus the Tahoe.
to like 200,000
200,000? That's cheap.
in all.
Okay, let's go sign some papers.
Okay, let me just follow me.
All right. Hey, would you like to go camping? Camping with me?
Yeah, I actually wanted to go camping with someone as well.
Alright. I'm gonna take the day off. I can pay you. Here, let's just close the door.
Yeah, close the door.
Alright, so 200K. So do you want that in cash or credit card, Apple Pay?
We do actually pay in cash.
Cash? Alright, gives 200K cash.
Okay. And will you sign these paperworks please? Gives paperworks.
Ooh, okay. Signs. Gives papers back.
Okay, thank you. And now all those car trailers are yours now.
Alright, you wanna go drive them? Or not, like, camp with them?
Yeah, let's go camp. I smell very fancy.
You can smell my perfume?
Uh-huh.
Okay, well,
Don't mind that, y'all.
be good.
I will. For I'm going into pieces, and you're not there for suffocation. Okay,
Here, bring the special. Yeah, take the ramps off.
Pick up these ramps.
I
Because that's a part of the special.
Yeah, I got the camper. Don't hook it up. Do not hook it up until the pop-ups, the lights, on, like everything. This camper's really nice.
This was honestly my favorite one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I forgot one main feature over here.
Oh yeah, the pop-out kitchen.
Yeah.
Alright,
Honestly,
so
now
do we really want
hook
to
it up?
do we want to take 2 campers?
I'll just take this one, and you
It's
try
got
to
bunk
take
beds.
another camper if you want to.
It's got bunk beds. Yeah, it's fine. I'm probably gonna load up this one.
It's just the right size. Yeah, my God.
I'm probably gonna here you can pull
Might be
out. I was gonna take that high boy, but no, that thing drives ish. Hey, you don't know where we're going, so.
Yeah, I do actually. I do.
No, it's not at the main campsites. I ordered a custom one, so it's not at the main campsites.
Wait, I was going the right direction to a custom one that I actually kind of like that I saw in one of Cavrex's vehicles. so
Except that. Well, I bought us like a custom one, like it's in the middle of nowhere.
yeah, that one is in the middle of nowhere. And it comes with special camping areas.
It's
Sir,
not.
you're gonna scratch your own vehicle.
It's fine. I have insurance. Hold up. What? What?
Don't block me.
Y'all,
Okay.
I gotta be AFK
For what?
to go get my food. I can finish this video like maybe a day of camping. Like maybe like a camping thing. I don't know.
Yeah, and like in the next video we will go camping again.
Yeah, a longer camping video.
Also I have an idea for you.
I shoot it.
You review the update when the update comes out.
Oh yeah, I need to do that more. I'm gonna here. Can you move very quickly? I'm gonna. I don't know how to do this. I'm gonna be on the side of the road. I'm gonna be on the side of the road. I'm gonna play y'all some music. And he's gonna be talking too, so.
Okay, I'll just park right here.
So, yo, I don't know what y'all want, like. I'm gonna play. I'm just gonna play 5'5" someone called a po-po.
Okay.
I don't. If I get
be
cocky.
watching my video. I'll be watching my video. Why?
Since I met you, girl, you've been on my brain. I can't think of nothing else but you all night and day. It's like I got a first class seat up on Oxy's train. It's driving me insane. Somebody call the police. Going crazy. Thinking about you, baby. Just a sign. Going crazy. Love you, baby. Get your number, girl. I gotta call you up. I gotta get you right. Shotgun in my truck. Yeah, you got me all messed up. Somebody call the crazy. About you, baby. Just a sign. Going crazy. Baby.
Being lit is more fun than playing this game. You need to find the key. Alright, here's the key. Trick him out. Run. Stop here. The trick him out.
Hello?
Oh, this is so funny. Hello?
Okay.
It's working.
Okay.
There.
Bye.
Whoa, this is impossible. This would be a difficult. This would set me enough to turn me in. I can't do it. I'm skipping it. I don't even want to get to skip my money. You gotta charge this now. I'm charging back later. Same way. I would never play a stupid game like this. And you know what? I missed all that. And we're in. You know you are really ugly. Please go away. You smell. What else? Oh, no, you're done. Let's try 80 years because I'm not even gonna escape here because of a monster right over there. Oh. I don't see.
Hey, y'all don't have that.
Oh, you have to be careful. This isn't not that scary. We just like, sure, it's like annoying. I knew that was coming. This is a lot easier than the last one. I think, please. See, no, please. Heck, it's a water. Otherwise, you can be like, think about it. Right, no, no. Oh my god, he's very more. He's glitchy. And he's glitched, man. He's not glitched. He's not glitched. Bring him back. Wait, no, the town. Hey, behind. Yeah, see? He walked away. Oh. Hold on. I just need to bring that house from up there. He's recording.
You there? Alright, follow me.
Right, over there. Oh my god, this is scary. This is it.
Wait, let me be right back. I'm gonna also get something for me to. I'm gonna also get some, like a bag of chips for me to eat. Okay? Because I'm kind of hungry. I'll be right back. Let's scroll down.
I'm gonna get my bread.
I'm looking in the pantry for soda. Okay, where's this soda? Sit down.
Follow me.
Let me just show you where it is. Second. I'm just gonna go in front of you so I can show you where it is, okay? What's happening?
My game is glitching so hard right now.
Ooh.
Cut. No, actually cut. Alright.
Wait.
Alright, let's get back on the road.
Okay, let me just get back at my vehicle. Yes. Huh? Go. I know they can't. It's next to the cow gas station.
Yeah, that's the one I ordered.
Are you honking at me? I'm going as fast as I can.
Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll get back up on the road.
Hey, can I get a new truck?
What?
I need a new truck.
Sure. I'll just meet you outside the cow gas station, okay?
Watch it! Alright, let's go.
After all this, I think this girl needs a refuel. Go into the cow gas station. Let's refuel up and grab some drinks before we go. Oh my gosh, sorry.
You're good.
Let's grab some drinks before we actually hit the road. I'll grab you some drinks too, okay? Honestly, I can't. Okay, which soda you want? Witch's Brew, Bloxy Cola, or some red?
There's
Red blocks.
there's
I'm
some
getting
Roxy
me
Cola.
some red blocks and some cola. And I'll fuel up real quick. Okay? I'll refuel and we hit the road, okay? The door comes inwards. One good thing to know about that, I smell something very disgusting, and it's not stink bug. No, but
Hey, I'm leaving now.
Wrong way. We're supposed to go this way.
That ain't the camp I ordered though, so we ain't making it up there.
I was going to a secret spot.
Yeah, I know where it is.
Where you were going?
To the spot I ordered. It's actually pretty nice.
Okay, let me go there. Let me go there.
I'm waiting for you.
Okay, I'm coming. I almost got stuck, so I had to try to get unstuck.
Oh.
I saved me at the last second. This spot is kind of hard to get.
Not really. It's a nice spot when you get down.
Oh, I think this was the spot in Cravrex's video. Yeah, you want the spot in Cravrex's video. Oh wait, you're going to a different part of it.
Yeah. The nicer part of it, I guess. Oh!
There's a double pathway. There's some red block.
I might be cooked. Oh! Go straight of where you're at. Go straight.
Okay. Another spot.
Turn left.
What?
Not the way I'm going, the left. Other way.
This isn't even a car. Oh wait, this is where Grabrex's video was posted at, going up. Okay, should I park our camper?
Hey, hold up. I don't know why you took the boat, but...
Yeah, the water's frozen.
Go forward.
Sit down, Lee. Let's just keep it there.
Go forward. Okay, yeah, park it right there.
Parking it right there, left from me.
Whoa.
Like that.
Yeah, right there.
Can you just attach it so I can?
Oh, yeah, 1 sec.
What did you get to eat?
There's this place. Go. There's this place. It's called Gondolia. I got that.
I think I'm. Wait. I know how to get out of the sticky situation. Push with me.
I can't. I'm eating.
I think.
Oh yeah, you're gonna have to reset that.
Well, I know how to do it. I know how to get it off. I know how to do it. Martin, I know how to do it. It's my car. I know how.
Yeah, guys, I think this is where we end it. It's almost 30 minutes long. Big shout out to Cam for being in this video. Anything you want to say, Cam?
It's just that it's my first time being in one of his videos, and I've been looking forward to being in the rest of his videos.
Yeah, big shout out to Cam for being here today. See y'all in the next one. Peace.